If you want to install the most recent version of Mozilla Thunderbird, you can use the PPA maintained by the Mozilla team. Alternatively, you can use the Snap Store to install the latest version of Thunderbird on Linux. If you prefer to download Thunderbird 135 directly, visit the Thunderbird download page and select Thunderbird Release under the Release channel. Once installed, you can launch Thunderbird from your application's menu or terminal.